Hey y'all, so I done made some fried chicken, rice and peas, honey cornbread, corn. But I made that for my man. Right now, I'm just gonna eat me some chicken. So shh, 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 shh. We're gonna do a SMS massage. Hey, bye.
Now, that's enough shush. Hopefully that makes a nice little edit. By the way, when I breathe hard, I'm choosing to breathe that way on purpose. Sometimes I don't have time to control my breath, okay? I'm a big girl, as you see. Shh. Run onto the back of my throat. Like the pickle and juices with the back of my throat. Mm-hmm. 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 I wanted something a little more salty. I know I shouldn't, but I just want a little sprinkle. So, you know. Okay, it's not coming out. It's fine, it's not coming out. Okay, it was a little too much. Just on the meat. This didn't marinate for long. I like to taste it all throughout the meat. Mm-hmm. 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 Now, one of the is marinating longer. I know, let's stop everything. I'll soak off the way. Mm-hmm. Oh. Mm-hmm. How are you doing? A lot of y'all was like, that's good though. That means, you know, they go up from here unless you start digging holes. Hope things get better for you though. Especially if you deserve it. Especially if you're a good person. Yeah. You don't really get much from making others happy. It's just something that's embedded in you. You really deserve the best. I mean, all do. Shout out to people like that. Because you are doing great. Girl. But, period. I just, you ain't there yet. You will be. Go on. Mm. Fuck, ate my chicken. Damn, I didn't eat the fucking. I wanted to eat it with the chicken. Well done. Well done. Is that necessary? No. Sometimes we doing too much. I mean no harm. I mean no harm. Guarantee you, if I was like 5 or 6, I would have did the same thing. But if you need a gun, no, this is who I am, bitch. Not changing who I am because my age changed. My personality remained the same. Like what? Only thing that did change was my age. Oh, I'm supposed to be being quiet. It's supposed to, you know what? I'm not tired of this avocado sticking. Listen, y'all, I'm tired. It's time for the video to be over with. I love y'all. If you was up with me just now when you was eating something, that was that cool. I would just eat with you. Have fun though. Thanks for meeting me here. Sorry. Sorry. That's disgusting. I'll do better next time. Know what it is? I should sprinkle a little salt. This one just tastes a little more earthy. A little bit more palm tree-ish. I'm gonna eat it because nutrients, antioxidants, vitamins. Yum. Now, bye. If you like me, you fuck with me. I mean, you can like, comment, subscribe. If you don't fuck with me, that's cool too. Fuck you, nigga. Fuck you too.